Hey guys, welcome back to Barbie Fun Times. Before we get started, make sure to like, share, and subscribe with notifications so you never miss a video. And today we're going to be making DIY mini bracelets for your Barbie dolls. And by the way, this is a collab with Barbie's Adventures, so go check her out on her channel, link in the description. So the items you'll need are scissors, any type of string, and that's actually it. It's pretty simple. So I'm going to grab a doll real fast, scissors, and some string. So see you in a second. Okay, so I got Kate, some string. It's pretty little because the doll's wrists are really small. And then some scissors. Remember our parent supervision when using sharp objects, because you can cut yourself or hurt yourself. And these type of scissors are very dangerous, but don't worry, I'm almost 11 years old, so. Okay, let's get started. Okay, Kate, I'm sorry, but I have to move you. You can't take the string with you. I need that. You get to wear it later, okay? Okay, so these are hair bands that I just cut apart because I didn't really have any colorful string and I couldn't find any. So if your string is about like this long, maybe cut it down to this size. Even though that's kind of big, you can always do some cutting if it doesn't fit. And you're gonna have to tie it around your doll's hand. So, okay. So let's start by cutting it down if it's, like I said, pretty big. And then braid it. Okay, Kate's on the ground. But this is optional. So if you have trouble braiding like I do, because I can really do my own hair, you can get some tape and wrap it around like the top here and then try braiding it from there. So I'm gonna see how it works. Okay guys, so I braided it, and I'm gonna go ahead and tape the other side, and if you guys had trouble with the braid, you can too. Okay, so the braid didn't turn out that good. I was hoping it to be better, but now let's get Kate and let's see how it fits on her hand. Okay, so I'm going to take it, going to wrap it around. Okay, it's gonna be hard since there's tape on it. Coming through. Okay, now I'm going to cut it down. Okay, so as you can see, it's pretty big. So you can either choose to like wrap it around more or cut it down, which is what I'm gonna do. So hold the braid part here, so if you don't want it to come undone, and just snip. Remember, parent supervision. Okay. It's not coming undone so far, so let's do the other one. Okay, the braid stayed. Wow, this turned out actually really good. Way better than I was expecting. So it's not that good, but it's better than I was expecting. So definitely Barbie's Adventures part of this collab was way better than mine. So go check out their channel, link in the description like I said, and they're part of the collab. The video will be down in the description too. And make sure you go check out Barbie's Adventures. And hopefully you had more success than I did with this. Well, thank you guys so much for watching, and Kate might wear this in the next stop motion shorts, her vlog. And I don't know when that will be posted, but I'll try to get one out soon. So anyways guys, make sure to check out Barbie's Adventures channel and like this video and Barbie's Adventures, share and subscribe with notifications so you never miss a video. Bye! Say bye, Kate. Bye. Kate.